Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share with you my recipe on how to cook a delicious rack of lamb. Here are the ingredients. 2 racks of lamb, 8 to 10 chops, dry rosemary, black pepper, coarse salt, garlic cloves, rosemary leaves, extra virgin olive oil. Put 8 fresh garlic cloves in a blender. Add 2 tablespoons of dry rosemary. Blend until you reach your desired consistency. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Blend it once more. Thoroughly rub the mixture which we blended earlier onto the racks of lamb. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Flip the lamb and spread the mixture again. Then sprinkle 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Flip it again to continue spreading the salt. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Don't forget to flip the lamb again to evenly spread the black pepper. Drizzle a little more olive oil over the lamb. Add 1 teaspoon of rosemary leaves on top. Preheat the oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius and cook the lamb for 30 to 40 minutes. Once cooked, let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing. Just look at it, absolutely mouth-watering. Wow, look at how perfectly the rack of lamb was sliced. I hope you enjoyed watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.